咱们还得走路了。
爽吧？You know it's Jianbing latte. The green onion. Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijing. Now I'm heading to Tianjin. Tianjin is a city very near Beijing, just 120 kilometers. It takes 1 hour and 40 minutes to drive. And today I'm going to Tianjin to have breakfast and then come back. So now it's about 8 o'clock. You know, Tianjin is an amazing city for food. When I'm carving for some delicious, I always think about going to Tianjin to have their delicious food. You know, even though Tianjin and Beijing are so close, the food is quite different. That's the beauty of Chinese cuisine. Only 100 kilometers distance, but Beijing and Tianjin also have their unique local flavors. So, in fact, I've filmed a video about Tianjin and its food before. So if you want to check it out, please check here. Today I'm going to eat the breakfast. So there is a place called Beijing. It's a place selling all kinds of local snacks. In order to try more food, more breakfast, so I've asked the 2 friends to come along. Here, say hello. Hopefully we can try all kinds of local snacks together. So what kind of delicious will we find? Stay tuned on my video. Let's go. We arrived at Tianjin now. See this painting? All kinds of breakfast in Tianjin.还喝牛奶。This is the Tianjin milk. It's very famous online. See, the whole area is full of breakfast stalls. You know, today is Tuesday, so if you come here on weekend, there will be 3 or 4 times more people here. Let's go. So many people.
咱们还得走路了。我人少的地方吧，
是这儿拍，这儿拍，他就在这儿拍可以啊。
在这儿呢，凉呢。炒锅边炒的啊！哎，不拿个，不拿个，炒锅边不拿个啊！哎，都这个炒。
It's sweet and crispy. You know, so many people. So we decided each of us queue 1 line to buy the food. So let's go separately. Now my two friends already find their food. They stay in line, so let's go find them and ask what they want to buy. 你来买什么？嘎巴菜。
嘎巴菜。
有吗？
有。
Okay, one is here. Let's go find another one. Already find her. What's this?
大糖果子，糖油饼吧？好吃吗？
It's sweet fried dough.
鲜牛肉面炖。
处理肯定是可以跌价，现在。
I'm going to buy the 煎饼。
我给推您了。
真法地牛肉夹馍。
这是什么面？哦，绿豆。
真法地牛肉夹馍，鲜牛肉夹馍，鲜牛肉面炖。真法地牛肉夹馍，鲜牛肉面炖，鲜牛肉面炖。真法地牛肉夹馍，真法地牛肉夹馍，鲜牛肉面炖。
限定老北大糖果子，
真法地牛肉夹馍，
现炸现卖。
好嘞，谢谢。嗨，煎饼。So let's go find my friend. 煎饼果子你也买了啊？可以尝尝。This is what he bought. 嘎巴菜 The name of this dish is 嘎巴菜。Very crispy. One friend is missing, so let's go find her.
姐姐来套煎饼果子吗？
这个，好吃吗？好薄啊，好脆哦。
Let me try this one. I like this one. It's a salty soup.
哎，这味道还不错。
你现在咱们在拍什么？
这个叫
高前王，高跟王，
高跟啊，就特别有名的一家，是这儿最好吃的一家。前面那个他们买了其他家的都不好吃，
哦，
然后呢，这个姐姐说就这家是最好吃的。
买的什么？
酸梅汤，
甜吗？
有点甜，但还行味道。怎么样？对吧？
嗯。
其实它里面有
Look at
很多
this
东西，也不知道什么山楂。
嗯。It tastes sour and sweet. 谢谢。This one? Oh, it's hot. I thought it's a cold dish. It's a dessert, but it's very hot. I don't know. I never tried it before. It has stuff in red bean. Very soft and sweet. 好烫。哦，这还行。这是糯米。Try this one。有2种馅儿。这好吃吗？Good。有点酸。Yeah. This stuff. It looks the same, but this one is the red bean. This one is the, I don't know how to say it in English. It's the same material with the Tanghulu. So it's a sour one. See, all the things we bought today, we still cannot finish them all. So we will bring it back to the car. During the way back to Beijing, we can eat them, finish them. And there are also one very unique shops in this area. So let's go and check it out together. Oh, look at all this sentence. This is the sentence of Tianjin local. It's the different accent of Beijing. So yeah, it's very funny. 乐呵乐呵得了，
乐呵乐呵得了。
我家还做水呢。
做谁呢？
做水呢？这家煎饼果子没治了。
没。
辣椒看起来很厉害。
还要别的吗？
你好，要个不太甜的是哪个？
其实我们料都不是很甜，
都不是很甜哈。Water ice。
对，你小点哈。
谢谢啊。不客气。See this water ice with the sauce, the sour sauce on it. Cool.
不是很甜吧？
小姐姐一份那个巧克力的。
解什么呀？
你就用那啥，爽。爽吧？
这还挺好吃的。
We all like this because it's so hot today. Before coming, I saw this shop online. This is another reason that I want to have breakfast here, because I want to go around this shop. It has many unique products and creative products, the plush toys. So let's go and see. See? Looks familiar. The Jianbing. Steam bun. This is 果子 inside the 煎饼。
下面是吃的大梨糕。
哦，糖葫芦。 Tanghulu. This is the word I can see in English. The Hawthorn, something like that. Dumplings. So cute, right? You know, I think all the attractions in China, especially Beijing, Tianjin, Shanghai, they all have the very creative products worth buying. Oh, Tanghulu with the dog's face. You know, Tianjin is a city near sea, so a lot of grandpa, you know, who retired, and they want to jump into the water from the bridge. Of course, it's illegal, but it just you know, the Tianjin people, they like jumping into the water or diving. They're all good at swimming, so you know, it's go viral online. So people so admire these grandpas. So see the magnet first. This is the 大爷. We call it Grandpa 大爷, jumping into the water. Yeah. And do you know how they do that? Just you know, check this video. I ordered this latte. You know, it's Jianbing latte. The green onion. I don't know what's the flavor. Let me try. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I think it's only because of the decorations. In fact, it's just the latte's flavor. Yeah. Not very weird. Look at what I bought. I bought a lot of things. Tanghulu. Jerry, this is Jerry. You do know that cartoon? Tom and Jerry. Jianbing. 果子 and the dumpling. I'm really satisfied and also very full. So okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.